Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to the channel. Today I came up with a really big update, really interesting update, which is IIM Lucknow is starting their undergraduate program in business analytics and artificial intelligence. So if you don't know about IIM Lucknow is basically Indian Institute of Management. Just like how you have IITs for tech and that space, you have IIMs for management space. So if you know about IIMs, if you're in the management space, you know that IIM Lucknow is one of the Blackie institutes. Blackie institutes are the most competitive institutes. After CAT, you need a minimum of like 98, 99 percentile to get into any one of those. So in that Blackie institutes, L stands for Lucknow. So IIM Lucknow is one of the most prestigious institutes in this space, and they're starting their undergraduate program via JEE Advanced. So you literally after 12th grade, you can enter such prestigious institute and study 4 years there, and you can also choose to continue further. So let's discuss about what kind of programs they have further in the video. But this is about IIM Lucknow. And guess what? Their highest package after the program is literally 75 lakh. So that's the reason IIM Lucknow is so prestigious. And this is an institute, they're starting their undergraduate program in AI and business analytics. So it's not just a management related course, or it's not just coding related course. It is literally combining them both, and it's finding balance in data science, business analytics, and artificial intelligence. So people that are interested in this sphere, make sure to check out IIM Lucknow, and let's discuss further about eligibility criteria in this video. And before we move on, guys, make sure to subscribe to our channel. It really motivates me and the team working behind the scenes to give you more valuable content. And yes, please subscribe. If you take a look at the program structure, the BS program is designed with building strong foundation in mathematics and statistics. So in the initial stages of the course, you will start with algebra and calculus, and as the course progresses, you will go to big data, learning Python, vibe coding, OOPS, and all of these things you will start learning later in the course. So it's basically the course includes artificial intelligence courses, business analytic courses, computing courses, and foundation courses, along with management courses like marketing analytics and etc. So this is how the course structure is. So yes, these are calculus, probability, random process, everything. Year 2, year 3, year 4. So yes. So when it comes to program pairing, if you're coming from the JEE field, which is through JEE Advanced, there are three different pathways. So you can either get the BS degree by finishing 4 years, or you also have a BS plus MS option where you finish 4 years and you'll have an MS option in the 5th year with globally renowned universities where IIM Lucknow has a partnership with. And third way is BS plus Tech MBA. So usually people come through CAT via CAT for the MBA in the year 4 and year 5. So if you are continuing with this kind of program, then you will be integrated with them in year 4 and year 5. So you'll also get BS plus MBA in this path. So there's no exit after 3 years, only decision to choose which track. You will get a BS degree after if you are choosing to exit after 4 years, and if you're choosing to exit after 5 years, you have two different options. If we take a look at the eligibility criteria, the candidate must be an Indian citizen. They should have completed 10 plus 2, which is 12th grade in 2025 or 2026 with physics, chemistry, mathematics as their main subjects, and they should have qualified for JEE Advanced. If we take a look at the admission process or policy, so the maximum age limit is at 21 years or on July 31st, 2026. And if you take a look at the reservations, they do have the government policy for reservations. So they do follow that since it's a government institution. And the application procedure is you apply through the IIM Lucknow admission portal. The application fee is 1,000 for general, OBC and EWS. And it's 500 for SC, ST, PWD and women. So these are the documents that you need to upload. Like you will get this on the website. And if we take a look at the admission schedule, the application window has opened on June 4th, 2026, and it's going to close on July 3rd, Friday. So you have a very limited time. I think you have around 1 month left to apply. So make sure to apply. So when we take a look at the fee structure, it's 5 lakh rupees per year, and they do have merit-based fee waiver scholarship. if your score is really good in JEE Advanced for BSN dual degree program, IIMs are notorious for giving such good scholarships. So you can expect that from IIM Lucknow. So guys, this is it about IIM Lucknow BS program in data science and business analytics. So make sure to apply. And if you have any doubts regarding any of these things, make sure to comment and let us know in the comments. Do not forget to subscribe.